Okay, today we're working on another Lexus. We're doing a Lexus lost key replacement. This is from a 1997 Lexus LS400. They send us the ECU. They send us the immobilizer box. In most cases, I need just the immobilizer box if it's a separate unit. They sent the ECU anyway, and they sent the door lock. So basically, plan action. I'm gonna take a couple blank keys. First, I'm gonna decode the lock, figure out what the existing cuts are, make sure it works nice and smooth. After that, I'm gonna put chips into the keys, and then I'm gonna write the chip data directly into the immobilizer box. So that's basically the plan of action. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Both keys are now programmed. Key 1, key 2 works nice and smooth. I do not do the auto learn like some people do, where you send it to them, they set it in auto learn, they send you a couple keys, and then you got to introduce the keys one by one, turn it on so many seconds, turn it off. And if you make a mistake along that process, guess what? You got to do it again. The way I do it, I'm going to take the chip data from the keys, I'm going to write it directly into the box. So there is no programming. That's what you pay me for. You don't pay me to auto set something and then you have to finish it off. So like I said, this is plug and play at this point. Customer's going to get this back, plug everything up, car's going to start right up. So keep that in mind. Those of you that call me and say you're having trouble finding someone in the area, here's why. Most of the guys probably wasn't around when these units was made. I've seen the era of the transponder chip. You know, I was around when they first started introducing in the mid '90s. So you know, I've done my fair share of this, and I'm still doing them. So a lot of people don't know that on some of the '97s there's a separate immobilizer box. So that's about it. You need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take, and that's it. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thanks.